Hello, my name is Brooke and I manage the Old Mutual Flexible Fund, and I'd like to talk to you today about what's happening with the Steinhoff Group and its massive impact. This has been one of the biggest corporate scandals I've ever seen in terms of my career, and we've seen a market cap destruction in the region of 200 billion rand if we look at Steinhoff and some of its related companies on the JSE. Just to try and put that into context, that's as if the whole platinum sector, and you can chuck Pick and Pay in as well, was obliterated in a week. So what does that mean for us as investors, and what impact does it have on our funds? We do own some Steinhoff within our funds, but we've been selling very steadily. We've been selling over the last couple of years at prices better than 82 Rand a share, and all the way down. And the reason we are selling is that there were concerns around the company, and our main concern was how aggressively they were diversifying overseas in terms of very fast deals and what impact that was having on the balance sheet. However, because the share was so cheap, and it is a big counter within our universe, we did own some. So just to give a context, in the Old Mutual Flexible Fund that I manage, before these events happened, we owned 0.5%. So if you wipe off 70% of the value, that still has an impact in terms of performance. However, because we manage such diversified funds, and that's the beauty of a multi-asset class solution, is you've got invested in offshore equity, cash, bonds, property, local shares, is that no one investment is big enough to wipe out the fund. So even if we take the Old Mutual Balanced Fund, which has a slightly bigger holding, the impact of this is less than 1%. And that's one of the critical lessons, the power of diversification to manage through these events. If we look at returns for the year to date, they're still very positive. The market has been strong. So something like this is not cause for panic, but it is cause for reflection. It's bad news in terms of it reflects poorly on the auditing profession and on South African corporate governance. You know, we're hypercritical about what we say about the state-owned enterprises and the government. We need to be squeaky clean in our own backyard.